Okay, we're back. Like I say, this is going to be a little bit different Fire It Up Friday, because we're going to fire up a kerosene heater. As far as I can tell, it's never been fired. So anyways, it doesn't look like it ever had a battery in it or any fuel. So we're going to throw some batteries in it. Stuff kills you. Yeah, there we go. Oh, let's open this up and see if this works. Oh yeah, close plug works. So, let's put some fuel in here. And when I picked this up with the gum, so sealed up along. This handy dandy pump, which is actually part of the package of buying this heater, was included. So let's pump some fuel in. And it just siphons, once you start pumping, it'll siphon itself in. We're only going to put in half a tank or so. That should be enough. Just open this up and that kills the suction, and you dump kerosene all over the table. Lesson number 1, don't do this in the house. So anyways, we're going to let the wick soak a bit, and we'll come back and fire it up. Inside, out of the rain, so I don't have to wipe them down. Not happy. Okay, let's see if we can pass the test here. It says turn the knob this way on until it stops, and then press this button. And we have fire. And we had fire. Let's close the lid. And we'll take a peek through the hole. Hasn't made it all the way around yet. It looks not bad. Anyways, we'll come back when we get full force. Anyways, that's about as pretty as it gets. Yeah, it does want to be closed up because that affects the air fed from the bottom. And we got the extra basket here on the top. I imagine you could keep a kettle warm or something on there, or sim or something. So anyways, that's pretty well lit for our fired up segment. So let's go make some coffee. And there we go. It's Shovelhead 8. Welcome to another Bluegrass Bushcraft Coffee Challenge. So it's last weekend in October, so almost Halloween. So this will be a week late, it'll be next Friday. But so we'll do a little bit of Halloweeny stuff here. And we have our helpers, Harper and Jonah. And Timmy is hiding out under my shirt. So let's get at it. Okay, we're recording. Today we're going to use this little Lexada stove. It's supposed to be windproof, but luckily there's no wind because I haven't put the plastic up in here yet. Which may be tomorrow's job. So let's fire this up. And we have our Stanley French press. We're going to sit right there. It's a little rocky, but it's not bad. And we'll come back after. And before I forget, lay up the camera so I can see. Cool. Failure to launch. And our coffee for today is going to be Rampage Coffee from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan in Canada, and Cold Black. Dark roast premium blend. So we'll give that a try. Anyways, we'll come back when the water boils. Okay. Sort of happy to see the cardinal there. But anyways, let's get on with making coffee. So, like I said, we have this Cold Black dark roast coffee and a ground coarsely. And we're going to put it in our Stanley press. And we'll take our long spoon and stir it in. And we have a lid. Get that put on, and we'll come back in 5 minutes. Okay, that's been 5 minutes or so. Let's stir this in a bit. and then press her down. There we go. Put our lid on, and we'll pour a cup of coffee. A little bit of sugar. Some milk. And you see this is a color changing cup. Don't you say a word. So let's give this a try. Well, first we'll look at the cup. Handle's on the wrong side. Here's our coffee. Anyway, it's time for our coffee. Taste our coffee. Harper's all worried because of the dog. That's good coffee. Anyways, light these fires and candles. Those that need it, and those that have gone before us, and those of us that have been left behind.